Lesson 14. The past perfect continuous. English uses the past perfect continuous with the past simple to talk about an activity that was in progress before another action or event happened. The past simple refers to a specific completed event in the past. The past perfect continuous describes a repeated action or continuing activity that was taking place before that completed event. So we have the example: he had been studying English for 2 years before he went to London. We have two actions, number 1, number 2. Past simple, he went, we use to a specific completed event in the past. But before this event, he had been studying English for 2 years. So he was in progress. He was in process. That's why I am using the past perfect continuous here. Number 2. By the time Katie arrived home, she had been driving for 6 hours. Also, we have two actions. Action number 1, action number 2. But what happened first? First, she had been driving for 6 hours. Then, Katie arrived home. This action was in progress for 6 hours. That's why I am using the past perfect continuous here. Let's talk about how to form this tense. The first place takes the subject, he, she, it, we, they. Then goes had been. It doesn't change with the subject. Then we have our main verb, ing form, to show the progress, the process. Then goes the rest of the sentence. Further examples. She decided to buy a new car because her old one hadn't been working for weeks. I went to see the doctor after I'd been feeling unwell for a few days. The band had been rehearsing every day, so they won the competition. I had been training to be a dancer until I broke my leg. The present perfect continuous and past perfect continuous. What's the difference? We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action in progress or repeated activity that was taking place until the present moment. I am really thirsty. I have been cycling for 2 hours. Right now, I want some water. Right now, I am thirsty. But the past perfect continuous is used to talk about an ongoing action or repeated activity that was taking place until another specific moment in the past. I was really thirsty. I had been cycling for 2 hours. Right now, I don't want any water. I do not feel thirsty right now, but I was, perhaps yesterday. That's the difference. Let's have some practice. 14.1. Mark the sentences that are correct. Number 1. Maya had been working here for 5 years when I started. Or, Maya was working here for 5 years when I started. This one, because she started in the past, she was in the process, she had been working here for 5 years when I started. Number 2. It had been raining for a week before the sun came out. It rained for a week before the sun had been coming out. Of course, the first one. It had been raining for a week before the sun came out. Number 3. I got sunburned because I've been lying in the sun all day. I got sunburned because I'd been lying in the sun all day. Number 2. I'd been. We had been to see that movie everyone talked about at work. We went to see that movie everyone had been talking about at work. Number 2 is correct. Number 5. Vlad had been studying English for a year when he moved to Toronto. Vlad had studying English for a year when he had moved to Toronto. Number 1. We need this been verb. Number 6. My computer hadn't been working properly for ages, so I bought a new one. My computer didn't work properly for ages, so I had bought a new one. This one is correct. Number 7. We only found the hotel after we'd been driving for more than an hour. We only found the hotel after we'd been driving for more than an hour. This one is correct. 8. I'd trained for years before I had been winning my first marathon. I'd been training for years before I won my first marathon. Is correct. Number 9. Carol had been cooking all morning, so she was exhausted. Carol had been cooked all morning, so she was exhausted. I like number 1, but no, I like number 2, but number 1 is correct. When we say Carol had been cooked all morning, it is a passive voice. It means that somebody cooked her. But this is not the case in our today's grammar. Number 10. I went to the doctor because I hadn't been feeling well all week. I went to the doctor because I didn't been feeling well all week. Number 1 is correct. So, let's match the beginnings of the sentences to the correct endings. The floor was soaking wet because it had been raining all day. Number 1. Marion had been learning Spanish. Smile for 6 months before she went. I think this one is for sentence number 1. Marion had been learning Spanish for 6 months before she went to Spain. The forest looked beautiful because it had been snowing all night. Number 3. Kelly had been practicing all week, so her performance was perfect. Let's talk about her performance. Clive had been complaining about the bad smell all week. Let's move on. Fill in the gaps by putting the verbs in the past simple or past perfect continuous. Let's read our example. When the package finally arrived, Dave had been waiting for hours. Nina shopped all morning and need a coffee. Nina had been shopping all morning and needed a coffee. Number 2. Carla lived in Paris for 10 years when she met Liam. Carla had been living in Paris for 10 years when she met Liam. Number 3. Chris feel exhausted because he play football all day. Chris felt exhausted because he had been playing football all day. Number 4. Phil watch TV when the telephone ring. Phil had been watching TV when the telephone rang. Number 5. Jill feel ill all day, so she go to bed early. Jill had been feeling all day, so she went to bed early. 6. The kids watch TV all afternoon because it be so cold outside. The kids had been watching TV all afternoon because it was so cold outside. Number 7. Jo studied for years before she passed the exam. Jo had been studying for years before she passed the exam. Number 8. Ahmed worked for hours before he finally leave the office. Had been working for hours before he finally left the office. This is it for today. Thank you for being with me, and I will see you next time.